afternoon, Mr. Sunjam and fellow classmates. So today I'll be presenting on my dream house. So as you can see, this is the full layout of my dream house. For the living room and the dining room, it's actually connected to one another and it has no door. This is because I would really love to have an open concept and allow for easy access as well. And if you notice, usually people will have the dining room straight at the entrance of the house. But for mine, we have actually an alley that leads to the living and dining room, as well as to the other rooms. So this is because of this concept where I would like to put like a gallery, set up a gallery along the hallway, and to display like paintings along the hallway itself lah. So it's about 23.4 square meters, and these some examples of what I would love to do. So I would love to put like paintings and as well as pictures on the walls with frames on them and frame it up so that when our guests walk in as well as our family walk in, then we can also see like the display of our family as well as artwork as well. And for the living and dining area, it will be very very open as you can see in the second picture lah. Yeah. So for the kitchen, it is open to the living and dining area. It has very easy access to food and drinks because the fridge is nearest to the dining room. And if you want to like chillax, take a sip of beer, it's very near to the dining room. And it also allows the family to entertain guests even while in the kitchen or dining area. Another reason why I put the kitchen so open is because um I would love to have like a very very easy access basically to be able to cook whenever I want to yeah. So this is an example of how open the room should the kitchen should look like as well as the living and dining area. So for the common bath, it's accessible through the kitchen and it's a very very simple layout. So it's very near to the children's bedroom also, and it allows visitors to use the bathroom to freshen up because it's also very near to the it is also very near to the dining area. Yeah. So for my bedroom, it's a very modern day concept. So we have a window overlooking the trees and it's a bigger room to accommodate for a beanbag and a queen size bed. This is because after a day of school you would love to have like a day of relaxation. So that beanbag really adds on to that relaxation. Yes. So if you notice beside the bed there's also a study table. The reason why I put the study table there is because of the good lighting, which comes from the window just above the bed. So like it's very near to the kitchen because I get very hungry easily. So it's very convenient to have the kitchen so nearby. Yes, and the area is 22 square meters. Yeah. So for my brother's room, I sacrificed his space for mine. Yeah, cause I'm such a great sister. But yes, there's a passage for daylight from the window. This is because for us to study well, you also have to have very good lighting and you also have to have a really nice view so that even when you're studying, you don't get too stressed. So his study table is right in front of the window. So like another thing that I actually decided to put in his room is actually a really big bookshelf because sometimes my brother loves to read. Yeah, so he needs space to put his school books as well as his collection of books as well. So he also has a really big clothes closet lah, yeah, because he has a lot of clothes. Yeah, and if you notice the area of his room is 10.8 square meters. It's because well that's why. So the master bedroom and the bath are located at the corner for privacy. So that's when it's time to make me another sibling. Yeah, so the area of the master bedroom is 23.8 square meters and the master bath is around 5.4 square meters with actually a bathtub as well as a shower. So If you notice, the master bedroom is connected to the master bath. Yeah, and the master bedroom has actually soundproof walls. Yeah. For the storeroom, it's accessible through the hallway. This is mainly because it's supposed to be hidden from the eyes of the guests and at the corner of the house. Because sometimes the storeroom can get very messy, so it's better to have it hidden from the guests. Yeah. So that's about it for my presentation. Thank you.